Welcome to the post-game press conference. Magnolia manages to keep their record spotless by winning over SMB in this battle of the undefeated. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Chito Victorero, and our best player of the game, Xavier Lucero. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chito, at the top of the coverage, you mentioned how maintaining consistent tempo would be the key for this game. How did you utilize that to your advantage in this game that had multiple deadlocks, lead changes, and even went into overtime?
First of all, thank you for Jesus Christ for this W. Kung wala siya, baka hindi namin magagawa to. It's all about the grit and determination of our players. We're down by double digit on the third quarter. I told them to don't quit, just try to wait for our run. And good thing, our bench players or reserve namin, second group namin, delivers the energy and the aggressiveness. And I think yun lang yung puhunan namin, the hard work and the determination. And again, credit to the players because I told them nga na we will get tired, mapapagod kami ngayon, but at the end of the day, mapagod kami, at least manalo kami. So yun yung goal namin, make it close until sa dulo, kung maka-execute kami ng depensa namin, I think we have a good chance. And yun nga yung nangyari.
Thank you, Coach Chito. Now, Zave, you successfully came back from a 14-point deficit. What did you just allow to take control over you in the last few moments where you were just all over the floor, scoring, rebounding, and diving for loose balls just to help close out this game with a victory?
Yeah, like Coach said, first of all, glory to God, especially it being Holy Week, so remembering him. But like I always say, I'm just trying to, I know what I do well, and just trying to go out there and do that and bring energy and play to my strengths. But also, a lot of that comeback was when I was off the floor. Our guys got into a press and started turning them over a lot. So yeah, kudos to my teammates, especially down the stretch. A lot of those big shots, Mark, Jerome, just closing it out for us, So credit to my teammates. It was a team effort for sure.